Whipping up a Caesar salad.
Creating a Caesar salad is a quick and tasty way to enjoy a healthy meal. To make this salad, you will need 1 head of romaine lettuce, 1 cup of croutons, half a cup of grated Parmesan cheese, and Caesar dressing. For the dressing, gather 2 cloves of garlic, 1 egg yolk, 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 3/4 of a cup of olive oil, and salt and pepper to taste. Start by washing the romaine lettuce thoroughly and tearing it into bite-sized pieces. Place the lettuce in a large salad bowl. Next, make the Caesar dressing. Crush the garlic cloves and mix them with the egg yolk, Dijon mustard, and lemon juice in a bowl. Gradually whisk in the olive oil until the dressing is creamy. Season with salt and pepper. Add the croutons and grated Parmesan cheese to the salad bowl with the lettuce. Drizzle the Caesar dressing over the salad and toss everything together until the lettuce is well coated with the dressing. Serve the Caesar salad immediately as a refreshing starter or a light main course. Enjoy the crunchy texture of the croutons and the creamy flavor of the dressing in every bite.